Welcome to the movie Stroboscopic Effect. This is the fan motor. This is the light module, LED light module. This is the function generator. This is the battery holder with battery cells, 2 meters to measure the voltage and the current for the circuit. Now, what we are going to do is connect this function generator's output to the input of the lamp module so that this LED glows as per the frequency set here. The fan is connected to the supply so that it will rotate when we switch on. Now by adjusting this frequency, you will see the stroboscopic effect. At one particular frequency, all the 4 wings will be visibly stable in other ways. So that frequency corresponds to the revolution. So from that signal frequency we can calculate the RPM, revolutions per minute or rotations per minute. So let us start the experiment. Connect this plus wire. This is the voltage, this is the current consumed by the whole circuit. Now you see the LED is glowing. Now you can adjust the frequency and get the stroboscopic effect. This is a very low frequency, so you get the flickering. I am increasing the frequency. Don't get the effect. Again change the force knob. Now we are very close, so you can see the 4 wings here which are slowly moving. Even though motor is running very fast, because of this LED flickering at that frequency, you are able to see the 4 wings. Just see, the motor is stopped, you are able to see the 4 wings. Now switch on the motor. Now the motor is running. See, because of this lamp's frequency is matching with the revolutions or rotations or the speed, we are able to see the 4 wings. Even though the fan is rotating, we are able to see the 4 wings. So now what is the frequency of this? You can connect the scope wire here and then connect it to the laptop which is working in the battery, and then see the frequency 280 Hz. This is a square wave. This is a square wave, 280 Hz. So from this we can calculate the RPM of the fan. Now we are able to see the frequency and at the same time fan leaves. Now adjust the frequency. The frequency now shows is 142 Hz. Increase it. See the fan motor leave. Doesn't stop visually. Yes, now it is visually stable. Even though fan leaf is running at a high speed, the fan leaves are visible.